Hey everyone, today we're exploring some clever kitchen gadgets that will elevate your cooking experience. From time-saving tools to smart organizers, this list is packed with essentials that make everyday tasks easier and more efficient. Let's jump right in. Prepare perfect eggs effortlessly with the Mananoff Egg Maker. Just place your eggs in the tray, add water to the mark, and press the button. This compact gadget handles the rest, alerting you with a beep when your eggs are ready. It's ideal for quick breakfasts and fits easily in any kitchen. Make meal prep a breeze with the Rototable Strainer, the ultimate kitchen multitasker. It includes a stainless steel colander, a non-slip bowl, and interchangeable graters. Its rotating pivot ensures efficient straining and shredding. Ergonomic and dishwasher safe, this tool simplifies cooking and cleanup. Revolutionize your morning coffee with the 8-in-1 milk frother and steamer. From dense cappuccinos to silky lattes, create your favorite cafe-style drinks effortlessly, featuring innovative induction heating and magnetic frothing, plus easy one-knob operation with an OLED display, perfect for any coffee lover's kitchen. This butter dish with lid and a small knife makes your breakfast easier than ever. It features a groove for the knife, ensuring you're always ready to spread fresh butter. Compatible with various butter brands, this dish is easy to maintain and stylishly enhances any kitchen decor, perfect for gifting or daily use. This olive oil dispenser features dual dispensing capabilities, allowing you to pour or spray with ease. The unique spray nozzle delivers a fine mist or a steady stream depending on how quickly you press. It's a space-saving tool that keeps your kitchen tidy. Streamline your kitchen tasks with this clip-on strainer, perfect for when you're short on space. Easily attachable to most pots, pans, and bowls, it lets you strain directly from the cookware with a simple tilt. No need to transfer food, a practical, compact solution for any cooking setup. This digital kitchen timer by Avinia simplifies time management with a twistable outer ring for easy adjustments. It's perfect for multiple scenarios like cooking, classrooms, and workouts. Equipped with a large display, 3 brightness levels, and a loud adjustable alarm, it also features strong magnets for secure placement on any iron surface. Squeeze the most out of your citrus with this robust cast iron orange juice squeezer. Its large bowl handles everything from tiny limes to hefty grapefruits, capturing every tangy drop while filtering out seeds and pulp. No batteries or power are needed, just press down on the comfortable handle. Sturdy and built to last, it's essential for any kitchen. Master simultaneous cooking with the smart wireless meat thermometer. Track 2 dishes with precision thanks to its long-range wireless connectivity and quad sensors. Ultra-thin probes ensure juicy results. Get real-time notifications and reminders, all with over 40 hours of battery life from a quick 10-minute charge. Maximize kitchen efficiency with the adjustable over-the-sink colander strainer. Perfect for rinsing veggies, draining pasta, or drying dishes, it expands from 14 to 19 inches to fit most sinks. Features include BPA-free material, heat resistance up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, and a design that keeps food clear of sink water. The chicken shredder brings cooking to a new level. It's incredibly easy to use. Just place the chicken inside, close the lid, give it a few twists, and in seconds you have perfectly shredded chicken ready to enhance any meal. Keep your kitchen tidy with the round push towel hooks. Just push your dish towels or rags into the hook with a finger for a secure hold, and easily pull them out when needed. This simple yet effective solution keeps towels off countertops and readily accessible for quick cleanups. Simplify your sink tasks with the kitchen sink stopper. This tool serves as a drain plug and strainer. Press to seal it for water storage or open it for quick drainage. It's designed to catch food particles, helping keep your drain clear of clogs while you wash dishes. This clean dirty dishwasher magnet clearly indicates whether dishes are clean or dirty, helping you avoid mix-ups in a hurry. Easily attach it to any dishwasher door and slide to display the current status. Perfect for maintaining kitchen efficiency. Enhance your kitchen with the magnetic knife block made from durable acacia wood. Its natural grain not only looks great, but also protects knives from dulling. Strong magnetic strips on both sides provide easy and efficient storage, perfect for any kitchen setup. Start your morning right with the Green Life 3-in-1 breakfast station. This versatile appliance features 2 upper griddle compartments and a convenient toast drawer, allowing you to cook a complete breakfast feast in one go. Effortlessly toast 2 pieces of bread while simultaneously cooking the rest of your meal on top. Say goodbye to tangled cords with the Kitchen Appliance Cord Organizer. Equipped with a patented cord winder, it effortlessly handles up to 7.2 feet of cord, perfect for nearly any appliance. Organize your space and enjoy a clutter-free countertop. Achieve perfect pancakes every time with the pancake batter dispenser. Designed for precision, this tool allows for easy pouring of batter, ensuring consistent results for both beginners and professionals. It's essential for hassle-free cooking and baking. Brighten up dark spaces instantly with magnetic undercabinet lights. Simply attach them to any metal surface without needing any tools. Equipped with a motion sensor, these lights activate when you're within 10 feet and automatically turn off shortly after you leave, enhancing safety and convenience in low-light conditions. Ensure your produce is pristine with the fruit and vegetable cleaning machine. This innovative cleaner uses Oyons to thoroughly wash away residue and dirt from your daily fruits and vegetables. Simply press the power button, place it in 3 to 5 liters of water, and let it purify your food in just 10 minutes. Opening jars has never been easier with the Undercabinet Jar Opener. Designed for one-handed operation, this tool easily tackles even the tightest lids, from factory locked and vacuum sealed to childproof or just stubborn. Simply mount it under a cabinet for hassle-free access. Forget the morning struggle with cold butter using the stainless steel butter spreader. Designed to handle butter straight from the fridge, this sturdy knife spreads and curls with ease, keeping your bread intact. Make dishwashing easier with this 2-in-1 dish soap dispenser. The sponge tray doubles as a calibrated soap dispenser, giving you just the right amount of soap with each press. Holding up to 8.5 ounces of soap, it minimizes refills and keeps your sink area neat and efficient. Tired of messy counters while cooking? The silicone utensil rest has raised edges to catch all those oil and sauce drips, keeping your kitchen splatter-free. Perfect for holding spoons, spatulas, and more. It's a handy addition that makes cleanup simple and easy. Make healthy eating easier with this vegetable chopper. Equipped with heavy-duty rust-resistant 420 stainless steel blades, it dices potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, and more in seconds. The razor-sharp blades ensure crisp, smooth cuts, saving you time in the kitchen. Keep every sip warm with this fast-heating coffee mug warmer. With adjustable temperature settings up to 185 degrees Fahrenheit, you can enjoy your drink just the way you like it. The auto shutoff timer, adjustable from 1 to 12 hours, adds safety and convenience, making it perfect for long workdays or relaxing evenings. These magnetic measuring spoons offer durability and precision with food-grade stainless steel that's safe for dry and liquid ingredients. Etched measurements won't fade, and the dual-ended design, rectangular for spice jars and round for liquids, adds versatility. Magnetic stacking keeps them organized, and the set includes 6 spoons plus a leveler for accuracy. Meet Bernie, the adorable bunny-shaped toaster tongs that make grabbing toast a breeze. Made from non-slip, heat-resistant beechwood, these tongs offer a comfy grip for handling toast, cakes, or even fruit. Perfect for cooking and serving, Bernie is a fun and practical addition to any kitchen. Get creative with the mini waffle bowl maker. From homemade waffle bowls to crispy tortilla taco shells, this versatile tool keeps breakfast and desserts fun. No special batter is needed. Use a store-bought mix or your own. Just plug it in and the non-stick surfaces cook evenly in minutes. Compact and lightweight, it's ideal for small kitchens, dorms, or even RV trips, making it a perfect treat for any occasion. Keep your kitchen drawer tidy with this utensil organizer, featuring 3 main compartments and 2 expandable slots for all your cooking essentials. It adjusts from 13 to 22.4 inches to fit various drawer sizes, offering versatile storage. Made from BPA-free material, it's safe for utensils and easy to clean. Just rinse with water. Perfect for organizing spatulas, ladles, tongs, and more. Add a touch of charm to your table with the B toothpicks holder. This adorable bee-shaped holder keeps toothpicks neatly stored while doubling as a decorative piece. Made from high-quality North American black walnut and German beech, its natural wood grain adds elegance to any setting. Make kitchen tasks fun with the foldable mushroom funnel. Just pop up the mushroom head, place the stem in a bottle, and pour without spills. This quirky silicone funnel folds flat for easy storage, unlike bulky metal or plastic ones. A playful, practical tool for any kitchen setup. Enjoy fresh corn with ease using the corn stripper. Just twist and push around the cob and you'll have plenty of kernels in seconds. With blades safely enclosed, it's even kid-friendly, perfect for getting the whole family involved in the kitchen. Make opening cans effortless with the Bella Electric Can Opener. Just one touch and it quickly removes lids without any hassle. With hidden cord storage, it keeps your countertop tidy and is easy to tuck away when not in use. A perfect blend of convenience and space-saving design. The KitchenAid Food Chopper simplifies meal prep with its compact 3.5 cup bowl, 2 speeds, and pulse option. Ideal for anything from salsa to smooth sauces. Easily add liquids with the drizzle basin and enjoy quick cleanup with its dishwasher safe bowl. Perfect for small kitchens and easy storage. Thanks for watching. If you found a gadget you loved, check out the links in the description to grab yours. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more must-have kitchen tools. See you next time.